Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel, Witty Rhythm. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make some snacks for yourself. ठीक है? So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप अपने लिए कुछ स्नैक्स, कुछ टेस्टी से स्नैक्स कैसे बना सकते हैं अगर आपके मम्मा पापा बीमार हैं या फिर वो सो रहे हैं और आपको भूख लग रही है। उसके लिए आज मैं आपको एक छोटी सी आज मैं आपको एक रेसिपी दिखाऊंगी, हो सकता है बाद में आपको एक और दिखाऊं। सो दिस इज़ शुगर। हमें उसके शुगर आप जो भी लेते हैं, बॉर्नवीटा जो भी आप लेते हैं वो जो भी आपको चाहिए, अगर आप शुगर के साथ लेते हैं शुगर के जैसे आप चाहते हैं, एक ग्लास या कप बटर, some milk, and the last one toast, जिसको हम लोग रस बोलते हैं। Guys, I think so you should use sharp option, but it's just for spreading the butter. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम लोग ग्लास में मिल्क को ग्लास में oops, I did something wrong. Guys, सबसे पहले हम लोग शुगर डालेंगे। शुगर ये जो भी आप मान शुगर जो भी डालते हैं, नहीं तो फिर आप दूध में ही शुगर नेक्स्ट जो भी हम डालते हैं बॉर्नवीटा, गाइस सबसे पहली बात, आपको एकदम से नहीं डालना, एकदम से डालना नहीं है दूध को, मैं बताती हूँ। सो गाइस सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, you will take some milk, mix it, then take more milk like this, otherwise you'll not be able to do. अच्छे से मिक्स कीजिए जब तक आपको लगता है हमें हल्की कलर लगे। And woohoo, your milk is done. But we're not ready yet. We need toast. If we'll not take something to eat with the milk, we'll not get such energy. So, butter and toast. Here is our plate. And here is our toast. We'll take some toast out 3 toasts and keep them in it again. You can also spread the butter on the toast with spoon, but I'm doing from knife. But guys, you take care of yourself. Try it once if you like it. If you like it, comment below and also tell me how did you made it. What's your favorite drink to eat, like 1 liter or something? So guys, here's our butter. Whoop. Now, guys, when you dip, you have to dip it in the milk. You have to dip the butter. Suppose you have to dip the butter toast in the milk you made. Otherwise, you will not get such taste. When you spread it like this on all the toast, when you spread the butter on all the toast, it will like this, so that you can taste each and every bite. Guys, comment below that have you done this trick. So our one toast is ready. Now next one. Here we go. So guys, like this you have to spread it. And woohoo! Your 3 toasts are ready! Guys, Our snacks are ready. Mmm, these look nice. I will now eat and do my work. I have to make 10 3D shapes. So this was my making a snack video. See you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. And yes, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Some people watch my videos and do not subscribe. They do something like this with other people too. So please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.